Welcome back to this week's Bulletin. I'm Haley Parsons.
And I'm Ben Callie. And the quote of the day is, "Optimism is a faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope or confidence." Helen Keller.
Seniors who are interested in applying for the State Seal of Biliteracy can pick up an application from Mrs. Kaplansky in Building 500 beginning February 3rd.
Need help signing up for financial aid? Come to the annual South County CalSoap Cash for College Night on Thursday, February 6th from 6 to 8 p.m. The Cash for College workshop will provide free one-on-one professional financial assistance to families completing the FAFSA or DREAM Act. Location will be San Benito High School Classroom 260 and 261, and Classroom 263 and 264.
Are you a 10th or 11th grader attending a CalSoap school? Join us for SAT prep on Saturdays in February and March. Registration forms are available at your college and career center.
Senior girls, don't forget to apply to the Hollister Women's Club Scholarship if you meet the requirement qualifications. The application must be received by Saturday, February 1st by the Hollister Women's Club. Stop by the Career Center for more information.
Need a laugh? Comedy Sports will be performing Friday, February 7th at 7 in the auditorium. All tickets are $7 at the door, but you can get student tickets for $6 in the Student Payment Center, $5 with ASB in advance.
Spring sports include baseball, boys golf, lacrosse, softball, swimming and diving, boys tennis, and track and field. Start February 3rd. You must be cleared to play before you attend tryouts. Please check with Mrs. Doty at the Student Activities and Athletic Office, room 329, to make sure that you are on the list.
There will be a boys golf meeting in front of the Matson Gym today, Wednesday after school at 3:15 p.m.
Well, that looks like it's all.
Have a great day.
And remember,
Go
go
Balers!
Balers!